Hey guys, welcome back once again to a new episode of Sephard and Sypha's channel. Today we got medium theropods. We will be discussing the Tarbosaurus from Primal Attack and the Eocarcharia from Dino Trackers. Also, we are going to compare to the brand new Dino Trackers BISTAHIEVERSOR. There you go. We're gonna unbox it. I've never heard of this dinosaur before, but take note. Look at this S, the sword part. It's not S-A-U-R. It's actually S-O-R for some reason. So yeah, BISTAHIEVERSOR. Okay. It comes with a tracking gear. Doesn't have a sound though. There's no sound. But this one caught me off guard. If you push this button, see that? The spikes move. I didn't know about this, that it moves. Yeah, then the other one, obviously the head. I thought this was for like the hand movement, but it's not. It's actually a spike movement. So that's pretty unique. That never happened before. So this dino doesn't have a variant yet. Same as the two over here. They have no variants yet. Alright, let's check the back. Okay, we already did this, the Elasmosaurus. Okay, it says it has a spiky tail strike. Yep. Tracking gear included. Alright, so let's unbox it. Alright, once again, I'd like to say thank you again for the support. Like a likes and a subscribe. Thank you for the continued support. Alright, so there he is. He has a nice pale color. A lower black jaw, the arms as well. It may related to a Tyrannosaurus because of the short two-fingered right here. Okay, here's the scanny DNA. As you can see, yep, there you go. It's pretty unique. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I wish there was a sound, but no, they didn't include that. Maybe the next variant will have a sound. It has green eyes right there. Okay, so that's compared to a Primal Attack Tarbosaurus. So this Tarbosaurus is also unique because it doesn't have a variant yet. So when you push the button here, it jumps. The tail, it's right on the tail. You push that, it starts moving. There you go. It looks like a T-Rex as well because the face of it, and then it has short two fingers, short arms with two fingers in it. Now the Eocarcharia is also also a Dino Tracker. So when you move it, it goes. There you go. That's the sound left and right. It's mostly covered in feathers, as you can see, all the way to the tail. It is a feathered dino. So yeah. So these three dinosaurs here doesn't have any variants yet. So maybe in the Epic evolution they might create it, but from what I saw, looks like a bunch of new dinos again. No variants again. A lot of new species of dinosaurs in that series. I would probably say the end of this year they're gonna release it. So yeah. So there you go. The BISTAHIEVERSOR. It'd be nice if they make another variant of this, another color. Yep, there we go. So yeah, thanks again for all the likes and subscribe, guys. Really appreciate that. Once we hit 300 subscribers, we're gonna create a episode. Yeah? I mean like a story. Yeah, I'm gonna create something like that. So for now, we're just gonna keep unboxing all the stuff downstairs and make a review. So yeah, thanks again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Bye.